Hi everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms make the most of their practice management software. So today I wanted to talk to you about your online presence and your physical presence. And a lot of times we think of things that happen online as a lot different than things that happen in real life. So for example, today I'm going to talk about networking. And the reality is that our online presence and our real life presence is really the same thing these days. And so I have a great example that I wanted to share with you as to how this was demonstrated to me today. So for those of you local to the Chicago area, definitely check out Mario Godoy is a local attorney who does a monthly networking power lunch, he calls it, where he brings a lot of value to learning how to build a business, learning how to market that business, learning how to grow that business. And he invites attorneys from all over the local area. So if you're in the area, please do contact me. I'm happy to give you the contact information, but it's a great opportunity to network with other growth-minded attorneys. And so today I was at this event in a local restaurant in real life, and I met an attorney there in real life who she happens to be a Facebook friend of mine, and we've never met in person, and we've probably only had one or two conversations via Facebook, but we met originally through Facebook, and we were in a couple of groups together on Facebook. And so when I met her in person today, I looked her up on Facebook, saw that we had some mutual friends. And by the way, these are friends that I know in real life that I'm also Facebook friends with. And so we had that connection and thought that was pretty interesting. Talked about the whole 6 degrees of separation. And then I asked her about how she had found the group and how she had known to come to the luncheon. And she mentioned to me that she had recently hired a virtual assistant who she had never met in person, was had just hired over the internet. And that virtual assistant had been tasked with finding some networking events for her to go to in real life. And so she went ahead and searched on Eventbrite and found Mario's lunch, and therefore the attorney that I met had showed up in person. And so the connection and the intertwining of these events taking place online, over Facebook, over Eventbrite, and also taking place in real life at the restaurant really demonstrated to me just a prime example of the idea that we can no longer really consider our online lives really any different from our real lives, and that the need for us to have our personalities and our lives displayed with integrity both online and offline is pretty essential. And so I just wanted to share those thoughts with you tonight and help you think about the way that you're presenting yourself online versus in real life, and see if there's any congruity between the two. So have a great evening, and I'll chat with you soon.